actually cannot believe that today is already my bridal shower. I feel like my bridal era has flown by and I only have like 6 weeks left. I have hair coming in like an hour, so that means I have to whip together an amazing bridal look before she gets here. Back when I took bridal clients, I always did underpainting technique. I just think that this looks the best in person because you have less layers of product when you do this technique. It's going to be outside today and it is going to be very hot, so I need something that's going to be able to withstand the heat. So I'm just using my Il Makiage foundation. I don't know if you guys have been seeing the fires that have been in Utah, but the air has been so insane this week. Adding some more bronzer with the LYS bronzer stick. I feel like I'm beating a dead horse about these two blushes. For bridal, I just love them so much. I always put Happy. This is by Rare Beauty. Those go on the high points of the cheek, and then I use Bliss more towards the center. And I just blend these two together. It gives the most beautiful baby pink blush. Always pull out Tarte Shape Tape for bridal. This stuff is just very heavy duty. Not gonna move at all on me today. I use Patrick at first, and I'm just gonna blend this around and up into that concealer. Tapping off the excess of this Natasha Denona powder, and I'm gonna set the under eye and cheek. You guys know the drill. Charlotte Tilbury for the rest of the face. A little bit of this Dior pink blush. Just used a lot of powder, so I need to bring some moisture back to the face. Such a beautiful bridal highlight. This is the Dior. I'm gonna do my usual bronzy shimmery eye Benefit Hula bronzer as the base. Dior Face Glow palette. A bit of this YSL brown eyeliner. I just curled my lashes and I'm just adding some of this Lancome mascara. Instead of a full strip lash, I'm gonna add some of these Ardell individuals. Road Twist to contour my lips. Can't find my Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude. I found the dupe for it. This is from MCO. And I'm gonna use this Prada pink lip gloss. One last setting spray. This is the L'Oreal. This stuff is so intense, but it works. Forgot to film my outro. My makeup's been on for literally 4 hours and it still looks amazing. Bye.